How to change lock screen clock on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the lock screen clock style on your iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. I'll start by swiping from the top to the bottom to open the notification center. Then we need to access the lock screen editor. Just long press anywhere on the empty space in the notification center and tap Customize. From here, tap on the clock itself. This will open all the clock customization options. First, you can choose a different font style for your clock. iPhone gives you several different fonts to pick from, so just choose the one you like the most. You'll also notice a slider underneath the fonts. This slider lets you adjust the thickness of the clock text. You can make it bolder so it stands out more, or thinner for a cleaner and minimal look. Right below that, you'll see the color options. You can choose from different preset colors like blue, orange, yellow, or white. If you swipe all the way to the right, you can even open the full color palette and select a custom color for your clock. There's also another slider that lets you adjust the intensity of the color, so you can make it brighter or softer depending on the wallpaper you're using. You may also notice options like glass and solid. The glass style gives the clock a transparent look, which can look really nice with certain wallpapers, while the solid option keeps the clock looking more clean and standard. Now, here's a bonus tip. If you want to make your clock bigger on the lock screen, switch back to the first font style. Once you do that, you'll see a small handle near the clock area. Drag it downward and your clock will become much larger, which creates a really cool effect on the lock screen. And that's basically how you can customize the lock screen clock style on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.